My name is Bukhari, welding technology student SMK and to Banda Aceh. I will teach how TIG welding machine operate. Please note. The first, check the power for two connection. Second, open the argon valve. Okay, and a jack working. Press off argon gas at 6 psi. Yes. And connect to negative cable to a TIG welding machine. And connect to positive cable gas hose and surge flow. Okay, and turn on TIG welding machine and the leg set correct for welding. Loading. Okay, loading. Okay. 17. Okay. And pitch negative to welding table. And place the workpiece to welding table and welding torch direct to the workpiece and press the button on the torch to the welding process. Let's try to do the welding. Let us try to do the welding protector. Okay. Let's put baler dia. Wow, kecil. Kok ada yang lagi dong? Itu pink.
Yeah, okay, this is welding process by Bukhari SMK to Banda Aceh.